Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a Ford Ki. You could potentially directly start to pry at it and separate it in half. Maybe it will work, maybe you will leave some marks. But there's another way that almost 100% ensures you don't leave marks. So you squeeze on this right here, pop the back of it, and that gives you the key, access to the key. So at this point you can slide something like this in here, and if it could actually work, start pushing, and basically it separates the two halves directly. You have this on one side and you have this on the other side, and you can pop out the battery. And this is a CR2032 3-volt battery, and we'll be replacing it with the same thing. Let's remove this from its wrapping and be back in a second. And it's out, and I always try to have my fingers clean and touch the battery the absolute minimum amount possible. And oh, am I putting it? No, I'm putting it the wrong way. Touch it in areas that it's not going to be making contact with anything. So at this point battery is in. Push it with the fingernail, not with your finger, so you don't leave marks. Maybe even wipe it down. So wipe it down with my t-shirt. And now basically come with this on top of it. It will make contact with the pads in there. And it should clip in place everything. Now you come with this part in here. Wrong side. Come with this part in here. Push it in. Come with this. Again, push it in, and we are done. We have changed the battery of the Ford. So yeah, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.